Hey yo, what's up guys? How's you doing? Hope doing very good. Welcome to my YouTube channel Unsung Gymholics. So guys, today we'll be talking about DemiBagby. Yes, DemiBagby. That girl is insane. She trains hard, damn hard. Let me show you this video. This is training, man. Training in the mud. This is a real training. Can you do a backflip in mud? Can you do push-ups in mud? Nah. This girl did. Even in the class. Why not showing your flexing abilities in the public? I bet if you guys can do one handstand. Wow, that was lit. Like most of the guys and even girls can't do this. Wow, insane. She trains insane, guys. Guys, if you want that your workout video should be featured on this YouTube channel, just comment down on this video and I will consider it. All those drivers in the queue must have impressed. So if you want to train like DemiBagby, if you are really motivated by her, you can contact her on Instagram. The Insta link is here. Look at those cuts on the biceps. even on the legs that cuts. Awesome, man. So difficult to do handstand on lift, and she did because the lift is moving and you have to stable yourself, control your body, and amazing, man. Super amazing training she did. She trains damn hard, guys. Damn hard. Insane. Various things a common gym guy can't do. Handstands. What should I say? If you guys get motivated by this video, make sure you follow her on Instagram so that you are always motivated by her. Hope you guys like this video, and if you did, make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon button so that you are always notified when I upload a new video, and more such motivational videos will be coming soon. Bye.